I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open and in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question number 1, if we were going to have a look at this sentence in a slightly different way, we would say that health and longevity are a part of the complex interplay of genetics and environment. They are a part of. So the answer that we've got to choose has got to reflect that message. So if we have a look at that, the answers, we've got involve, demand, beg, and need. Now, we're not saying that it must be, but that it's just simply a part of, which means that it's not going to be D, need, but what it is going to be is A, involve. For question number 2, the context tells us that we need a word that means the same as to work something out. In other words, to discover why. Out of the 4 answers that we've got, sort, conclude, settle, and determine, the only one that works is determine. For question number 3, the vocabulary around the gap is quite important because it says Sardinia, for example, has the highest something of male centenarians in the world, which basically means it's the highest amount of 100-year-old people in one particular place. And if we're talking about people or things in one particular place, then we're talking about the concentration of that thing or amount of people, which is why the answer is C. For question number 4, simple vocabulary. If you don't know this collocation, then make sure you know it from now. If you're talking about how long people should live, then we talk about their life expectancy. Life expectancy, which is why the answer is D. Now for question number 5, the key thing here is the words after the gap, which is their 90th birthday. Now 90th, it refers to 90, which in this case it refers to an age. And that's important because the answer that we choose has got to collocate with the concept of age. And only one of these answers do. You don't arrive at an age, you don't achieve an age, you don't complete an age, but you do reach an age, which is why the answer is A. For question number 6, we're basically talking about the people in the same position or similar position to other people. In that context, whatever that similarity might be, whatever it is that is in common between those people, we can describe those people as peers, which is why the answer is B. But let's have a quick look at the other answers as well. Are we talking about equals? No, because we're saying that people are more likely to live to a certain age in one place than they are in another, so they are not by nature equal. Are they colleagues? Do they work with each other? No, so the answer can't be C. And are they partners? No. The answer in this case can only be B. For question number 7, 2 ways to look at this. 1, language pattern. If we have a look at the language pattern, we can quickly work out that only one answer is possible. B, C and D require a different language pattern. Also, context. We're basically looking for a word that means the same as encourage. And once again, there's only one word that means the same as encourage, and that is A. For question number 8, the key word here is the preposition after the gap. Only one of the answers collocates with this preposition, and that is A, result in.